Hey guys, Zak Barton. I'm out front of 2807 Winslow Drive. You may have seen the open house video that we did for this property a couple weeks ago, but right now we're getting ready for a virtual open house. So what I want to do real quick is walk the property slowly review all of the features that it comes with, so that you, if you're sitting at home right now and are shopping the market or trying to keep an eye on what's going on in the real estate market, have the opportunity to take a look at this home from the comfort of your own couch. We also have a 3D tour that I'll include wherever I post this, whether it be Facebook or an email form or whatnot. We'll include the link to the virtual tour as well, so that you're able to click through and step through the house. But for now, enjoy the video. Please let me know if you'd like to schedule a tour in person. We'll be practicing safe open house practices, of course. But yeah, go ahead and enjoy the video, and I'm gonna flip it around here so that you can take a look. So I'm actually sitting out front right now. Got a car coming up. But this is basically, they just did some cleaning over there, by the way. They've got an outdoor oasis out here, really, quite frankly. It is really beautiful what the owners have done with this property. When I first pulled up to meet with them for the very first time, the whole family was sitting out here in this little area. It was completely shaded. It was a bright and sunny day, but they were here under the trees hanging out as a family. You can see there's a little sitting area that I'm at. Here, I'll get up and kind of do a little 360. It's really gorgeous out here, guys. It's a wonderful place to relax and lounge with the family. During your off time, spring, summer. So I'm gonna start going ahead and heading over this way. You know what, real quick though, while I'm out front, let's go take a look at the side entrance. One of the really special features about this house, can smile for the camera, that conveys that camera system, the Ring doorbell and the camera. But one of the really cool things about this house is, one, it's completely xeriscaped. As you can see, there's no grass anywhere. But it has a side entry here into the mother-in-law suite. I don't think I unlocked it. Shame on me. But you can see that there is an actual room in there, a converted garage. So wouldn't work best if you want to have a lot of storage for your garage. You'd need to get some outdoor storage, a storage shed or something like that. But that converted garage, which we'll take a closer look at in a minute, offers income potential. That's been proven. They have rented it out in the past. And then also it offers a great mother-in-law suite or nanny suite or something along those lines. Really cool porch. You have to excuse the leaves on the ground, guys. It's been storming. If you're in Austin right now, you'd know that's been the case for the past couple days. There's the Ring doorbell system. Let's open it up. Okay, this is the living room that you enter through. Obviously pretty self-explanatory. All the furniture and the TVs are negotiable, so the seller is willing to include those in the sale of the home if you'd be interested in them. All right, so let's go to the guest room and take a look at this garage conversion first. As you can see, this is bedroom 1. Good sized bedroom. You could easily fit a queen bed in here, maybe even a king. I'm gonna skip over the garage conversion and take a look at bedroom 2. New carpets in bedroom 2. And there are, as you can see, backup ACs in every single room. It is central AC and heat, but those reduce the energy cost over the summer, and the sellers have installed them in each room. Standard bathroom. Nice shower door. Nest thermostats. Let me see if I don't see any around me. I think the thermostat's right here. Yeah, Nest thermostats in the home as well. So you can program those from your phone and do everything automatically. New light switches throughout the home as well. And here's the garage conversion. So you can see right now they have it set up with the lounge area, but you could very easily put a bed or a futon in here as well. Again, all the furniture is negotiable. A family room. A little dining space, and there's that side entry that I was trying to show you in through earlier. Appliances, little kitchenette, washer, dryer. So this really could be used. The only thing that it's missing would be the bathroom. So whoever would be staying in there would probably use this guest bathroom. But again, it could be used for nanny suite, for a mother-in-law suite, for extra rental potential if you have roommates that you want to rent it out to. Lots of options there. So let's go into the kitchen. So we got new stainless steel appliances, not brand new, but about a year old. Nice open kitchen, Obviously, it's open to the family room. New deep sink. Okay. Laundry room. Some built-in shelves. Washer and dryer are again negotiable, shelving around the whole thing. Okay, and the master bedroom. Oops, didn't mean to leave the fan on for this. But yeah, master bedroom, good size. They've got a queen here. It could easily fit a king size bed, and there's plenty of space along this wall as well, so you could orient the room differently if you'd like. Got a large walk-in closet with some shelving built in. Shoe rack. Good size. It's kind of hard to get scale from the video, but I'd say it's probably about 8 feet by 8 feet. Okay, master bathroom. I don't want to film myself too much. Got a walk-in shower. Garden tub with a great big window over it to let in that natural light. Pretty standard sink. And a toilet. New toilet, by the way. It's brand new with a bidet. Fancy. Okay, let's go ahead and I want to show you one more thing out back real quick because it really is spectacular. Like I said, they've zero-scaped the entire property. Over there they have a little gazebo, as you can see. That would also function really well as a storage shed area if you wanted to build something out, or you could do something along the sides of the house. They've tiled the back patio and they have it wired, and obviously with their, the ceiling fan up there. Another cool feature, besides it just being zero-scaped, is that there is a full irrigation system in this property. So you would have drip irrigation systems throughout the entire landscaping. So really, it's very low maintenance. Weed control would probably be the one thing you'd focus on. I'm gonna go ahead and head over here as well. See that they've already built up a little bit of storage, but there's definitely a lot of room for work over here. Here's their little gazebo. It's just a really nice, it's like an oasis back here. It feels like a garden as opposed to just a backyard, but like a real well-kept garden. It's quiet, it's calm, very serene. So, beautiful yard. Also, I should point out there is also, in addition to the irrigation system, there are sprinkler systems up top. So they've got the whole thing lined with sprinklers, so as it gets a little hotter over the summer, you could flick those on and enjoy your outdoor space. Gutters around the entire home. It really is, quite frankly, it's just a beautiful home. It's got a lot of unique features that you're not going to find everywhere, that are really going to be hard to find, actually, to track down, all in one spot. So again, let me know if you'd like to schedule a tour. Obviously, this is available if you want to just view the property or rewind, fast forward. You can click the link that's going to be with the video to do one of those 3D walkthroughs like we had mentioned earlier. But yeah, if you want to schedule a tour, you absolutely love the property, let me know. I'd be happy to open it up for you. If you have any properties online that you're interested in having a similar tour like this done for them, but you're not ready to go out there and tour it yourself, give me a shout. We'd love to make that happen for you. We're also available if you have any questions at all with everything that's going on in the marketplace right now. There's a lot of uncertainty, and we're definitely here to help our clients through that uncertainty. So if you have any questions, if you're interested in touring this property, or if you just want to talk about the market in general, we're available. Call me, message me, email me, whatever works best for you. Looking forward to hearing from everybody. Y'all have a great day. Talk to you soon. And I almost forgot, there's actually 2 parks in this neighborhood. I'm standing in front of Apache Park, and we'll head over to Tomlinson Park in just a minute for you guys to take a look at that. You can see there's a pool behind me. More park across the street. It's kind of hard to see. See way over there. And then the Playscape, which is closed right now, obviously. But yeah, it's a really nice park, center of the neighborhood. And there's one more I'm going to show you a sneak peek of real quick, too. And this is Tomlinson Park. Another pool, a lot of fun water features, splash pad, more playscapes in the background. It's hard to see from here, but you do have a sand volleyball court over there and tennis courts for the back. As I continue to turn around here, you see we got some people out here playing frisbee, but I assume they're out here because there is a disc golf course as well throughout the neighborhood. So, Beautiful park. This is actually the larger of the two parks, Tumlinson. It's about 20 acres and it sits towards the south end of Blockhouse Creek, which is the side that the 2807 Winslow Drive, the property that we're featuring, is on as well. So this neighborhood's beautiful. It's sought after. It's not hard to tell why. Lots of great amenities, and the location of this neighborhood is absolutely prime.